Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Guys, this one is Meet Vybz Kartel Fiance. Sidem. I guess that's her name or maybe. But guys, first I want everyone to subscribe. You understand? Big up all of my subscribers. But we're gonna get right into it right now.
So this is where we meet Sidem Oster.
Winford, big up yourself, bro. God, you understand? Guys, subscribe. Big up all of my subscribers. Guys, please do subscribe to this channel as well. One code music, okay? Yes, I even have Vybz Kartel mix over there if you want to hear. Alright? Yes, so this is On Stage in Jamaica. And this is Winford's the host.
Fiance of international dancehall star Vybz Kartel. According to a recent US-based Fox 5 news report, the British resident of Turkish descent gave up her job in London and moved to Kingston to pursue her romantic interest in the Jamaican world boss.
This one is interesting.
Welcome. Thanks for coming.
Well, oh, her
Okay.
name is Sidem. Okay.
Jamaica for you. Is this your first visit?
No, it's my second.
Second, you've been here before.
Yeah.
For the same reason?
Yes.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you know a little about us. So how, apart from the Addy and who he is in the flesh and so on, we're going to get to that. The Jamaica to you that you saw for the first time, how did that match up? The reality now, being here, to your perception, how you felt about Jamaica coming in, what it would look like, and so on and so forth.
Well, when I watched Jamaica on Instagram and stuff like that, it seemed very lively. Like everyone was lively. There's always some sort of music going on.
Yes.
And it just seems like everyone knew how to live. So, so now that
Sidem, I don't cut you. But guys, she's talking facts, bro. Like, I am from Jamaica. You understand? I am a Jamaican as well. You understand? Yes. Wagwan. Subscribe. Back to what I'm saying. She's talking facts, bro. We're lively, we're lovely people, bro. We're just vibes, you understand? Yes.
The reality is different.
no, it's not different. Yeah, I can see how people are so alive and people are really nice as well.
Okay.
Good
Yeah,
people,
so
bro.
it's just nice to be part of a culture where it's not just going from work home back to work. I can just see there's,
What y'all get from what she's saying, bro, is not just a point to go from work, then home, then back to work, bro. Focus, bro. Read between the line what she said right there, bro. I'm not gonna say it now, but just understand what she said.
music all around me, people enjoying themselves. So I like having that around me.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So that first visit was only a visit?
It was a 1-week visit, yeah.
Yes. And now you're actually residing in Jamaica,
Yes.
in Kingston.
Yes, I am.
And that has been how long?
I came here on the 15th of August.
Okay. Oh, so you've been here since summer.
Yeah, so it's just over 2 months.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so and the visit now. Could you get into the visit? The first in the flesh visit.
It was amazing.
Yes.
Just being able to, be up close with him without any barriers and being able to hug him. And, we took some pictures as well on that visit.
Oh.
And it was a lot longer than the usual visits we have at the prison.
Hold on, I think her neck is kind of long, but yeah.
It was a nice time, and I got to see him
Yeah, she
twice
have
as
neck.
well during that visit.
So apart from all of the nice pictures and everything, did you get the time you wanted with him? Did you get enough time?
Any time is enough.
Is enough? Any time is enough for you?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It was about half an hour, but that was more than enough. It's more than what I got before.
Yes.
So I appreciate what I got, and yeah,
And so you guys are going all the way?
all the way.
All the way. You're going to tie that knot.
Yes.
Ooh, wow. That's kind of hit us like a brick because we knew not of this love interest and this whole big romance going on. Nobody knew.
So
this.
Winford, you never want them to go all the way like, yo, Shorty, I don't know how you feel right now, trust me, Shorty.
It's just dropping us.
I guess no Shorty, guys, that's his ex. You understand? Shorty is Vybz Kartel ex now. That king of dancehall artist, Vybz Kartel, yes, Shorty. Yo.
by Fox 5 in the US. So how are your family, your friends and so on back home reacting to all of this?
Well, they've always known for quite some time.
Yes.
And they were expecting it to, get to where we are, because they already knew what was going on. It wasn't nothing new to them, and they've been very supportive in my choice.
Mm-hmm. So what got you first? What got you about Kartel? Is music, is story, what? What about him that got you?
From a very young age, I heard his music.
Yes.
So I did enjoy his music, but I just I found him very handsome.
Mm-hmm.
So I was very attracted to him, and you could kind of call it an obsession, because I just thought he was the most perfect man for me. And
Hey, to be here talking about this, bro, you have to be well focused and intelligent and well focused, guys. You understand? Because she have to know what she is saying, bro. Like, it's like her brain is loading fast. Guys, subscribe.
walking the earth.
Yeah.
So I just really wanted to meet him and just get to know him, because I felt like watching his interviews and everything, I felt like he resonated with me. So I took it upon myself to make sure that I get to meet this man of my dreams.
And the dream is
Hey, Winfred is trouble, bro. Trust me.
isn't just meeting him, it's getting married,
Yeah.
possibly having kids,
Winfred.
and so on. So have you
Focus,
been
bro.
able to meet, did you get a chance to meet his kids that's here in Jamaica?
I met Little Vybz in London when he visited in November. Yeah, so I've met him when I was there, but yeah.
When did you declare to him then, oh, I'm in love with...
Hey, maybe it's gonna be hard for she to meet them in Jamaica, bro, because of Shorty. I don't know, guys. But leave your comment, bro. Just leave your comment and your subscribe and tell me what, bro. You understand?
I'm not very open with
Like that, okay.
Yeah, I do like to keep some things private, and I think he probably already knew.
Yes. He's the only one you've met so far?
Yeah.
How long will he be staying here?
I'm not too sure how long I'll be staying, but through the duration of his appeal, I'm going to be here and waiting for him to come out.
So you'll be here
I guess
until there's
this is
a verdict?
before Vybz Kartel come out.
Yes.
Okay.
And past that as well.
and beyond.
Yeah.
Anything for your love.
Anything for my love, yeah. Exactly that.
Oh my goodness. So let's go back now to your roots a little bit more.
Okay.
Back in London, you left your job. You were employed as...
I was
Go ahead. Tell us about your job that you had in London that you gave up to come to Jamaica to pursue your love interest.
Yeah, so initially I was a support worker for
Sidem,
children
Ostark.
under the local authority. And then I changed over to a housing officer within the Jewish community. And that's when Addy and me decided that we were gonna move me over to Jamaica. And
Oh, so he was a big part of that decision
Yes.
for you to come to Jamaica.
yeah.
Closer. Wow. So that job, how did they react to your sudden? Was it sudden?
I did suddenly leave, yeah.
You suddenly left the job?
I gave my resignation, but yeah.
And did they know why?
No, they didn't know why.
But now they do.
Now they do.
And
Bro,
the
they're gonna do
reaction?
because they're gonna see it all over on the news, bro, all over on the media. So they're gonna know.
I'm not too sure. I haven't really spoken to anyone since.
Yes.
Yeah.
But love is love.
Yeah, love is love, and
Love
I
is love.
follow my heart, so.
Have you lost friends? Do you gain new friends and so on? Are people pursuing you like us for interviews and so on?
Yes, there are people pursuing, but we're very limited with who we go for as well. And in terms of friends, I haven't lost any friends, but yeah, they've just been supportive. I've got a close-knit circle of friends, so I've just kept it as that, and yeah.
So, any particular date
Hey,
set
this
on
is-
those things for the big?
Guys, you see on this React channel, bro, like, y'all hear everything, bro. You understand? Then I react. You understand? So, for my understanding, based off their understanding or her understanding, for my understanding, based off her understanding, Winfred asks her if she lose any friends. You understand? Because, you know, by taking a big step, because this is a big step, bro. Vybz Kartel is bigger than that job she is doing. She make more money than what she's making. You understand? Trust me, bro. I'm being honest. You understand? So sometimes some of these friends not going to like is not going to like that you going up. You understand? So they drift. She have good friends then. She say they are still with her. You understand? Trust me.
Event of marriage.
We're just waiting for the Privy Council. So once,
So after that,
yeah,
so there's no date set yet,
no date yet.
but after that you decide when.
Yes.
Oh wow!
So we're
Marriage
just playing it by
ready?
ear at the moment.
Any interest in music by you or any of the arts? Yeah. Are you interested in music, doing
No.
music, producing music, managing?
I can't
Your
sing or
husband to
anything.
me?
Yeah. So I do manage him sometimes. Yeah, there are points.
Oh, you
where
do
yeah. I step-
management work for him?
Yeah. So there are times I step in.
Oh, you are. Oh, nice. So did you have experience in that?
No, but Adi has a good way of teaching people and training people. So
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, really? So it's that's interesting. So how do you feel about it? Are you comfortable with doing that? Do you think
What do
you will continue to be a supporting or an actual manager and
Hey.
manage him?
Guys, like, I respect her personality, bro. I love her personality. She's just cool and, you understand, just calm. She's not no fussy type with no nails and eyelashes and makeup. And you understand, and wig. She's just humble and, you understand, vibesy. Yes, she's just calm, bro.
Yeah, I'll support
In the
him.
future?
Yeah, I'll support him in any way necessary.
Okay, so it's my understanding that the album True
She's
Religion,
just calm, bro.
Vybz Kartel's latest album, was inspired by you?
Yes, it was.
Yes? Oh, so tell us about that.
So it's just like the trials and tribulations he's kind of gone through and how we've become stronger. So it gives a little insight into how we relate to each other and how I have helped his process and transition during this time. Yeah.
So the album is addressing those issues,
Yes.
some of the struggles that he's had, and so on.
Yeah. So,
So you were helping to write some of it, or anything like that? Do you have credits on it on the album?
no, I don't. I wasn't helping him to write it, but I guess I helped him by being me.
By being you,
Yeah.
just a big inspiration.
Yes.
Okay.
So I did inspire it, and yes.
Yes. How is it doing?
It's doing well, definitely doing well, and I've got a lot of good feedback from it, and
Yes.
the tracks on that album, like, there's different people that pull from different things, and they've liked and loved the album. Your iTunes reggae charts #1, and in the general charts it was #2 for the
Oh, nice.
So it was doing well.
Doing
yeah.
well. Guys, I want everyone to subscribe right now to let me do well. You understand? Yes, I'm big up on yourself right now.
Yeah,
Your inspiration is working.
I guess so.
Working.
It's all about making sure that he's good and what you can do to
Exactly.
help that.
Exactly. So anything I can do to help him, that's what I'll do.
Okay. Well, my dear, I've been all over the bush asking him a whole heap of questions. I don't know what else to ask you, except that to thank you for, I just want to thank you for coming and sharing with us. But to say, if you wish to say anything else to us, please feel free to do so. Tell us things that we probably should have asked you about, or things that you'd like to tell us about you. Or
There isn't anything I can think of at the moment, but it's a pleasure to be here. I've watched you on YouTube a few times, so it's a pleasure to be here.
oh, it's good. It's good to have you. We thank you for coming and sharing with us. We wish you well. We hope
you.
this will work out for you, both of
Positive.
you.
God bless your female.
And
you
we
understand?
can only look forward to when you come back to our stage.
Yes.
To update us and good news.
Definitely.
People, we thank her. You understand? Yes, and I thank you guys for subscribing right now. But y'all reached the end of the video, guys. This is Winter and Sidem Ozturk, if I pronounce her last name right. You understand? Yes. Big up on yourself. Free world boss. One world boss. People, I'm out.